A beginner's guide to investing in the stock market. Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome to our beginner's guide to investing in the stock market. I'm your host, Draco, and I'll be guiding you through the wild world of stocks and shares. Don't worry if you don't know a thing about investing. By the end of this video, you'll be a stock market pro, or at least, you'll know what you're doing. So what is the stock market? Simply put, it's a place where people buy and sell pieces of companies. Yeah, you heard that right. Pieces of companies. These pieces are called shares or stocks, and they give you a tiny ownership stake in the company. Imagine you own a lemonade stand, and you want to grow your business. You can sell shares of your lemonade stand to your friends and family, and use the money to buy more lemons and sugar. Now, if your lemonade stand becomes super successful, the value of your shares will go up, and your friends and family can sell their shares for a profit. So, how does the stock market work? Well, it's kind of like a big store where people buy and sell shares. The price of each share is determined by supply and demand. If lots of people want to buy a share, the price goes up, and if lots of people want to sell a share, the price goes down. There are two main types of stock markets, the primary market and the secondary market. The primary market is where companies issue new shares to raise money, and the secondary market is where existing shares are bought and sold. Now let's talk about the different types of stocks. You've got your common stocks. These are the most common type of stock, and they give you voting rights and ownership in the company. Preferred stocks. These stocks have a higher claim on assets and dividends, but they don't give you voting rights. Growth stocks. These are stocks in companies that are expected to grow rapidly in the future. Dividend stocks. These are stocks in companies that pay out dividends to shareholders. Index funds. These are funds that track a specific stock market index, like the S&P 500. And that's not all, folks. There are many more types of stocks and investment products out there. But don't worry, we'll get into those later. So how do you get started with investing in the stock market? Well, here are the basic steps. Open a brokerage account. This is an account that allows you to buy and sell shares. Fund your account. You'll need to deposit money into your account to start investing. Choose your investments. You can choose individual stocks, index funds, or other investment products. Set a budget. Decide how much you want to invest each month, and stick to it. And remember, investing in the stock market involves risk. There's always a chance that you could lose some or all of your money. But with a solid understanding of the basics and a long-term perspective, you can set yourself up for success. Here are some tips and tricks to keep in mind when investing in the stock market. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes and industries to reduce risk. Invest for the long term. Resist the temptation to buy and sell shares based on short-term market fluctuations. Do your research. Take the time to learn about the companies you're investing in and the overall market trends. Avoid emotional decisions. Don't make investment decisions based on fear or greed. And finally, remember that investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and discipline to achieve your financial goals. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you learned something new and useful in this beginner's guide to investing in the stock market. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's okay to start small and learn as you go. If you want to learn more about investing in personal finance, be sure to check out our other videos and resources. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.